And I think it is January 5th right now, 2022. And we had a decent amount of snow. And it's still snowing right now. Oh, just had a little snow tornado form right in front of me. The wind's pretty bad in some areas too. Yeah, it's coming off that building. Damn. Take it slow over here. Yeah, if you're not careful going on these curves right here in the winter time, they will make you slide. That flagpole looks like it's about to... it doesn't look like it's going to snap, but it's the way it looks. Snow's kind of blowing across those railroad tracks. Damn, look at over there. And I didn't get these few things on video, but oh, move, bird. But first, I saw somebody that was kind of in the ditch, so I stopped to see if they were okay, and yeah, they were. Luckily, they had all-wheel drive. They were driving a GMC. I think it was an Acadia or a Terrain. I don't remember, but it was a GMC SUV, and they were able to back out of it just fine, but still I just kind of sat there to make sure they got out of it okay. Then afterwards I passed a tree that had some branches down on it. I take it that's either from the snow or the wind blowing on it. So I guess some areas are supposed to get 50 mile per hour wind gusts. So yeah.